With us today is Lori Windham. She is the attorney for Hobby Lobby, and she's here to share her reaction to today's ruling in favor of Hobby Lobby, the company that you've been representing, Lori, in this highly contentious fight that's garnered a lot of attention. Tell me what your reaction is.
We are thrilled with the court's decision today. We think this is a great day for religious freedom. The court reaffirmed that American families don't give up their constitutional right to religious freedom just because they open a family business.
Lori, when I talked to you before, I remember you telling me the Greens, the owners of Hobby Lobby, they didn't come to this fight. The fight came to them, and what a fight it has been for them.
Absolutely. Yes, it certainly has. This wasn't something the Greens wanted to do, taking on the federal government, taking it all the way to the Supreme Court. But it's something they believe they had no choice but to do. The government was requiring them to do something that violated their faith. They have always tried to run this company according to their faith. That's why they pay their employees double minimum wage. That's why they give their employees a day off on Sundays. And so they just want to continue what they have always done.
But Lori, let's look at the other side of this. And we heard the demonstrators today saying, look, the employers should stay out of our business, that this decision will now essentially bring the employer into what should be a very private decision-making process between a woman and her doctor, now that the justices ruled that Hobby Lobby no longer has to cover 4 types of contraception. What do you have to say to the other side?
Hobby Lobby would love to stay out of this and leave this decision to a woman and her doctor. It's the federal government that told them that they had to be involved and cover these things, even though they violated the Green family's faith. What the Supreme Court said today is that the government has a lot of different options before it and a lot of different ways to get these 4 contraceptives to these women without involving the Green family.
And then there was the other argument, too, from the administration saying that essentially the Greens could have opted not to provide the health coverage for its employees if they did feel like it was a violation of their faith, these 4 types of contraception that they equate to abortion. And your argument to that was that they would be fine. But the administration saying, look, it would have been a wash either way.
We don't think it would have been a wash. The Greens have always provided excellent benefits for their employees, and so they would have been paying taxes to the IRS, $2,000 per employee, plus they would have had to raise wages in order to make it even and make sure their employees came out okay. So that still would have been a substantial burden. Obviously, the Supreme Court did not buy that argument today. They found this was a burden on the Green family's religious exercise, and I think it's a very common sense ruling. You shouldn't cut off health insurance for all your employees just to make sure that some people get 4 drugs.